Hi, welcome to the video lesson on units. The reason we're talking about this is because it's very important that you know which units to use when you're answering which questions. The first one is the perimeter, or if you're using circles, the circumference. For the perimeter or circumference, your final answer is going to be in centimeters. The reason for this is the formula to find the perimeter or the circumference. It adds up the distance around the outside of your square or the outside of your circle or whatever your shape is. It is one-dimensional because it is just flat and one distance, so it doesn't have any number up here. It doesn't have a number up there. It is just centimeters or meters or inches, whatever the unit is. The next one we need to talk about is the area. The area is a little bit different. If you remember the formula for the area of this square, the area means this area inside it right here. The formula for the area of a square is the length times the width. So for this square or rectangle, let's say the width is 3 centimeters. And the length is 3 centimeters. Well, to find its area, we would multiply 3 centimeters times 3 centimeters. And when you multiply 3 times 3, you get 9. And then you still have these centimeters here. Well, when you multiply two things together, two things that are the same, you can write them with an exponent. That's why for area, you need this little 2 up here. It's just like yesterday in the area of a circle formula. So the area is equal to pi r squared. This little 2 up here means r times r. So what this 2 means is centimeters times centimeters. So when you're talking about the area, you have centimeters times centimeters, so you need to make sure you write your units cubed. You cannot forget this little 2 up here. Or it would be meters cubed or squared, not cubed. Oh, it's meters squared, inches squared, centimeters squared. That's what this 2 means. The next thing is when you're talking about volume. On Monday, we're going to be talking about the volume of different shapes. What the volume is this area inside here. All the space inside a 3D shape. So really how much you could fill it with. If you think of a box of Kleenex, how much Kleenex could fit inside? That's what gives you the volume. And when you calculate the volume of a shape, you have to multiply 3 sides together. So let's say this was in centimeters, you'd have the centimeters here, then you'd multiply it by the number of centimeters here, and you'd multiply it by the number of centimeters up the sides. So just like in our area calculation where you multiplied centimeters times centimeters and you got centimeters squared, well, for the volume you're going to have centimeters times centimeters times centimeters. So it's because there are 3 centimeters here, it becomes centimeters cubed. It's really important that you know which units to use. Remember that for perimeter it's just centimeters, meters, inches. For area, whatever your unit is, it needs to be squared with the little 2. And for volume, you need to have it cubed, or to the power of 3. So it will be meters cubed, inches cubed. It all needs to be to the power of 3. That's all for now. I'll see you later.